Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Capricorn, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titinan natin kung ano ang parating sa inyo in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to because this is a timeless reading. And also, a general reading, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So, let's see Capricorn. Next 7 days. What's up? Capricorn. Creativity. Wow. So, eureka moment. This is a master number, master builder, master creator. So, some of you, mas magiging on point ang inyong creative talents and skills, creative ideas. Maaring in the next 7 days, you will be able to think about new ways to earn money, or you will use your creativity to earn money. Best possible decision. So, kung meron kayong kailangan pag-desisyonan in the next 7 days, rest assured na kung ano yung pinaka-best doon, yun yung gagawin ninyo. Because you are guided by your higher self, the divine. You also have authenticity. You're going to be very true to yourself. Yung pagpapakatotoo sa yung sarili. You're not going to hide who you really are. And it doesn't matter kung merong mag-accept sa'yo for being who you are o wala. Because alam mo sa sarili mo na ang importante, tanggap mo yung sarili mo. And bonus na lang if there are some people who will accept you for who you really are. Being authentic. Kasi alam nyo, kapag naging authentic kayo, ang mata-attract nyo rin yung mga taong yung mga tamang tao na nagva-vibe talaga sa energies ninyo. Kasi let's face it, we can't please everybody, you know. Kaya, gawin nyo na lang kung ano talaga yung gusto nyo, what you are authentic about yourself. Like, ano talaga yung ikaw, yung totoong ikaw. Two of Wands. May paths na nag-open up sa'yo. Pwedeng kailangan mong mag-decide. That's why meron ditong best possible decision. You have the Knight of Swords. This is communication with someone like an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Pwedeng someone is thinking of you. Kung magre-reach out ba siya sa'yo. You have the Moon. This is your feelings. Maaring merong magpapahayag ng feelings sa'yo. Okay? Para sa iba dyan. Oh, King of Cups. Can also be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone is thinking about you. Diba? Two of Cups. I'm telling you, Capricorn, parang may love relationship dito, ha? So, this can be a person na hindi siya obvious or hindi siya nagpapakita ng interest sa'yo at this time, but this person is definitely thinking about you. This person meron siyang malalim na feelings towards you eh. Parang gusto kanyang kausapin. Or it can be the other way around. Maari ring ikaw ito na gusto mong mag-reach out sa isang tao, meron kang feelings towards this person. That's why nagpapakatotoo ka na sa sarili mo. And very deep yung feelings dito. This can be you or the person that you're dealing with. And anytime soon, this person ay magsasabi sa'yo ng feelings niya. Nagde-decide lang siya ngayon. Can be a fixed sign, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, or Aquarius. Oy, oh my God. Romance talaga, oh. Unconditional love. You may be dealing with a soulmate or a best friend na merong feelings, romantic feelings towards you na hindi niya kayang itago. Pwedeng ikaw rin to na magpapahayag ng feelings with someone. Matagal mo nang tinatago. So you have North Node in Aquarius in the ninth house. Ninth house is about travel, higher learning. This is also something that you want to seek, to look for. So I think for some of you, meron kayong mga steps na gagawin. Pwedeng unexpected to na gagawin nyo para hanapin yung purpose ninyo in life because the North Node is also here. So North Node is about your destiny, your purpose, your life's purpose. So for some of you, Capricorn, you are going to make some actions related to your purpose or parang hahanapin mo, ano ba? Bakit ka nandito? Ano yung kailangan mong i-fulfill? Saan ka mas magiging masaya? Oo. And part of that, Capricorn, is to be with someone that has a soul level connection with you. Oo. So, para sa iba lang naman to Capricorn. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng Capricorn gusto ng relationship. Okay. Seeing the bigger picture. So, full moon in Sagittarius. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas lumalawak ang inyong pananaw sa buhay. Parang, alam nyo na kung ano yung gusto nyong matutunan, i-explore. It's like, you want to improve your belief system. You want to know more about the unknown. So, yung iba sa inyo related sa spirituality to. This can be any type of spiritual practice. Pwede rin sa religion ito. Reflect on your priorities. Last quarter moon in Aquarius. So, for you, Capricorn, you will also figure out ano yung priorities mo. Ano yung kailangan mong bigyan ng attention, no? Yun yung uunahin mo, of course. Di ba meron tayong tinatawag na urgent, merong important. So, yung urgent is something that you need to take action of right now, like ASAP, no? And then, yung important is, it can wait, pero kailangan mo pa rin ng attention. So, for you, you will know ano yung iyong mga priorities. And this is also managing your time well. Okay? So, that is your reading. Capricorn, kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.